Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to log into Canvas and how to navigate Canvas, how to use it. This will be the website where you'll find information about the class and do your homework. Go to the Palomar College website and then click on Canvas. Click Log into Canvas. If you're a student, you'll enter your full Palomar email. For example, jdoe12334@student.palomar.edu. I'm an employee, so mine's different, but you're going to put your full Palomar email and your password, which is the same as your password for My Palomar. And then it's going to take you to this single sign-on portal. It'll have different boxes. For example, Comet Connect, if you need to request free technology like a laptop or hotspot, or maybe scholarship opportunities or the library. I'm going to click on Canvas. So for some reason it didn't work. If that happens, I just go back and click on it again. I'm going to close them. There we go. Sometimes it takes a couple times. Sometimes here you'll have announcements from the college, and then you have your dashboard, and you'll see your classes. So whatever classes you're registered for, you'll see here in these little cards, these little squares. If you don't see this, click on the menu, the three dots, and select Card View. I think List View is a little bit confusing. It's better to have, it's better to have Card View so you can see the classes you're registered for. Then go to your class. So for example, I'll go to this one. And now you're in the Canvas website for your class. For my classes, you'll see, let me go to Student View. You'll see the home page, announcements, modules. Modules are like the sections or like the weekly work. If it's an online class, you might have a Zoom, grades, access to online tutoring, Comet Connect if you would like to request a free laptop or hotspot, and also student name pronunciation. So this is a software where you can record yourself and then everyone in the class and the teacher can know how to pronounce your name. They can listen to it. So this is the menu. Right now we're home, where it introduces the class. I might have a welcome video that you can watch to learn about the class and me. These are the weekly modules. This is where all the lessons and homework are. So for example, in week 1, you'll click here to find the homework. But also, the first week you should go over the orientation, how to get help. If the class is online, maybe it has the Zoom information, or if it's in person, the in-person class information, the course syllabus, and how to contact me. And you can click here to learn more about that, or find my information here. Now I'm going to go to announcements. Right now there aren't any announcements because it's the beginning. Oh, this is an old semester. There are. I'll post reminders about homework or maybe something going on campus. You can read it. If you want to write a comment, you can click reply. Just remember that everyone can see the comments. So make sure it's not a private message. If you want to send me a private message, you can do it here in the inbox. Let me go back to home. There's the modules right here. So this is the orientation. So this explains how the class will, how to use Canvas and how the class will work. So you click, and then this takes you to the home page again, and you read it over, look it over, and then after you're done, you click Next. And that takes you where you are right now, explaining how to navigate Canvas. And then you'll click Next. This page explains what is a syllabus, and then so you'll read, and maybe there's a video to watch, some directions. So you follow the directions, and then go Next. There might be a quiz. If there's a quiz, you click Take Quiz and answer the questions. For my classes, you can take the quiz more than one time. So if you have mistakes, you can take it again and again. You'll see the due dates and the points. If you want to go back, you can click Previous, or you can go back to Modules. Every week, there'll be an overview of the skills you'll learn that week, and then like a to-do list. I recommend taking a picture or printing this out or writing it on a piece of paper, because this explains what work you have to do that week. And every week there'll be a video that explains how to do the homework if you're taking an online class with me. If you're taking an in-person class, I will explain in class the homework every week. And then after the overview, then you have quizzes, assignments, lessons. So you just, you click, you read the directions, and you do it, and then after you finish, you click Next, or you can click Previous to go back. At the bottom, you might see like a Need Help or Learn More if you need help with the assignment, or you can always contact me. You can find my information on the homepage. If you're in an online class, you can click here to join our Zoom sessions. There'll be like a join button. You can click here to check your grades. You can click here to access online tutoring. Yeah, so those are the items, the menu items for the classes. Over here on the right side, you'll see a to-do list. So this can be helpful so you know what assignments are coming up. Okay. Now here on the left side, that's called the global navigation in Canvas. You can click on your account to change your notification settings, your profile. So for example, if you want to change this picture or add a description of yourself, your files, your settings. So there's different things here under your account. Your dashboard is where you find all your classes or courses. The calendar will show the due dates for upcoming homework assignments, and it'll be coded in different colors for what's coming up. The inbox is where you can send your teacher a message, and I think you can also message your classmates. Let's see. And Studio is where you can record videos. So maybe for a homework assignment, I say you can make a video. So you could record here. Okay. If you need any help with Canvas, please come talk to me. I can help you, and we also have workshops that teach you how to use Canvas. Okay, everyone, let's have a great semester.